Hey guys, I'm Rogut, and this is my rant. We believe in the diversity of thought here on this channel. Now, I just wanted to make this follow-up video to my most recent video that I posted here. It's a very angry-fueled rant, and I just kind of want to take a few minutes and kind of apologize just for the way I acted. We all have fun here. I do my random rants, and sometimes I get angry, and that happens. And I'm not saying that video wasn't fun to make. It was, but I kind of wanted to make like a follow up to that video. So I'm not gonna be, I know I usually do some crazy things. I yell and I tell you to smash that dislike, like really loudly, but. I just wanted to come back down to earth a little bit. There's been a few things in my life recently that put me a little under stress, and watching the constant news cycle of COVID-19 and all the coronavirus related stories, ventilators, masks, presidents, Congress, stimulus, you name it. It's become very tiring to me. And then this whole situation with George Floyd is it's a sad thing, and it's sad to see that racism still really does exist in this day and age, and obviously it's a lot less than it used to be, and that's my opinion. But yeah, I just wanted to make this and say that it's like, the whole news cycle is really burning me out. It's really making me upset, frustrated, angry, and obviously you could see that, like how anger fueled that rant was. And I'm not saying I'm not going to make any more angry rants or ranting in the future and stuff like that. I just wanted to say that some of the things I said in my previous video could be taken out of context or spinned a different way that I wouldn't appreciate. And I'm just trying to bring my arguments back down to earth and be a little bit more calm about it. Most recently, Antifa, the terrorist organization, they claim to be, against anarchy and against fascism, when that's what they're actually ensuing in these violent riots, and they're planning these riots. And I just watched a recent news story from one of my favorite YouTubers. He was reporting that huge pallets of bricks were being found in cities, and I wonder who put them there. And it's all crazy, and I think that's just adding more fuel to the fire, like the really burning fire that you could see in that most recent video. So I just wanted to make a video following up and kind of putting some referendums on things I said. So, but another one of my favorite YouTubers I watch daily, he just made a short video, unlike all of his other videos, just talking about the situation briefly and how you can change, like sending a hateful message on Twitter, or sending a stupid thing on Facebook, or even me making an angry rant like that is only adding fuel to the anger fire that you're seeing with all these violent protests. So I wanted to make just a referendum. I still stand by what I made, but I just kind of wanted to move on from it and cook up some more fresh content for you guys. So yeah, I truly believe that, working hard and, learning how to be money smart and stuff like that, investing, financial literacy, that type of stuff, that's a big theme here on this channel that I really like. I really like to keep and hold true. I just think that the more successful you are, you can influence people, and you can be a vessel for change. And, I have a lot of things to say. Obviously, you can tell by the last video, but I'll say something right now, that, if the world just focused on all of the things that all of races have in common, like everyone has in common, the world would be a lot better place. And so instead of just focusing on everyone's differences and, where you come from, your family and stuff like that, like everyone has family, everyone eats, everyone struggles with an addiction. There's countless things that we share and similar, like, we love our dogs, we love our cats, we're all passionate about something. Like, I'm passionate about making these videos for you guys. I'm passionate about making the content that I would enjoy watching. And yeah, so this isn't going to be a super edited video or anything. I do plan on getting back to some of, like, my typical silly editing format with the pictures and the silly theme song and everything. I just wanted to make this follow-up video. So, like I said, I just think that if you focus on, similarities between everyone, I mean, the world would be a lot better place. And I know this message won't reach a lot of people, but that's just how I feel. And if more people thought like that, and frankly, if more people thought like me, there'd be better shit in the world, but there just isn't. People are dumb, and you just have to accept it, and you kind of have to, hope that things will get better. And, doing what I did doesn't solve anything. So, thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, I want you to give it a like. And if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button. And if you don't like the content, if you don't like my face, if you don't like the apology I'm giving right now, remember to smash that dislike button. Gives me a chance to improve, make better content, make more content, and then just get better overall with what I'm doing. Alright guys, have a great night. I'll see you next time. More videos planned.